Good morning friends, welcome to CFD for Engineers. Today we will see discrete phase modeling, how we can solve such tutorial. So before that, going for a direct discrete phase model, first we will draw one figure geometry which will be used for discrete phase modeling. So what I will do, I will draw one figure. Okay, so first I will go x00. Here I am getting a point. Okay, then uh, I will draw a curve pipe. Okay, that curve pipe should be like this. First I will draw a curve. So x, it's 5 minus 5. Here you can see, then again 5 minus 5. Okay, then I will go for arc. Okay, then I will make surface. Now my aim is to draw a arc pipe which is having a wavy pipe, you can say. So for that purpose I will transfer this point, center point, copy, add the distance from Z, that is 200, 400, 600. Okay, say apply. Now we will see that distances is like here, and what I will do, I will just shift this point towards y direction in 5 or 10. Apply. Again negative y, so that it looks somewhat oscillating, or you can say wavy pipe. Okay, so it will be like this. So I will draw a arc, simple arc, from here 1 2 3 4. Likewise this pipe. And what I will do, I will go for curve driven option. Here select this curve, this one and this one. Yeah, now you can see the wavy pipe. Okay, waviness along the y direction, axis y. So you can make it if you increase the amplitude, it will become more curve pipe. Okay, then I will close the outer part. Yes, now it is closed. Next part, that is, I will write what is inlet and outlet. So here inlet, I'm writing here, then outlet, then inlet and outlet is over. Then I need to give fluid. How I can give fluid? So I need to select a diagonal point, say fluid. Two diagonal point, I need to select this one and this one I will select, but it is coming somewhere on surface, so I need to delete it. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will pass this point, center point, somewhere in the direction of Z 20. Let's see where it will be. Yeah, it is here, but it is inside the volume. That is good. Then fluid, this point and this point. The fluid point should be always inside the, so fluid always inside the domain. That should be the constraint from us. Okay. So it's over. Then go for meshing, say 2, go for compute mesh. If you look at, it is a very much only one mesh is there. So what we will do, again I will come, instead of 2 I will say file, compute, yes, replace. Okay, it's fine for us as a case study. Edit, check, apply, create surface, apply, apply. So likewise we completed our meshing part. Then we will go for output, fluent ANSYS. Then we are having one fluid and inlet outlet and geometry. We need to save this project, save as. We can name it as geometry, we'll see DPM geometry. Save. Then go for write input. So it Control C underscore Control V, global scale factor 5. Done. Here you can see the message done with the translation. Then